evidence relating to the also made in 2018. A complaint to students. They are aware of that.
The role which I have played, my lord, with regard to this matter, and there are things which I know, there are things which I do not know, my lord, simply because they were not brought into my attention.
Lana ke ngizokutshela okwakhulunywa umthethwa ke uma sebefika ke la isigameko senzeka khona ke ukuthi kwakuyena hamba nozakwabo kanye nabanye ke amaphoyisa ke ayesaqala ke noma ke kuthiwa ama students bahlangana ke nalomama othize owabakhomba ke wathi bagijime baya ngakho liyahlangothi ingabe uyakwazi yini lokho bese ngifakazile ke ngasho ke ukuthi mina ngibe kuyini owami umsebenzi kulecala leli kunezinto engizaziyo kunezinto engazazi engazangwe ke mina ke ngiyitshele noma ngizaziswe.
According to Mtetwa, I'm putting this to you as the investigating officer in this case, which I presumed that you had this knowledge. But I'm drawing to your attention to the fact that when he entered, when they arrived, they found Themba Khumalo, who is the brother of Ma Khumalo, the mother of Sandy and Kelly. They found that man who actually opened for them to enter the house, a head on the floor. Do you know about that?
My lord, as I'm saying, if maybe you want me to open the statement, maybe you can refer to the index of the statement so that I can maybe refresh on what is on the statement, my lord, because there's a lot of volumes, my lord, on this case. So I cannot really comment as you are saying, because sometimes you put things which are not proper. So I don't want to say yes, I know, whereas maybe there's somewhere where you have twisted.
Lana ke aqhubekeke umthetho athi bathi ke uma be iya ke endlini bahlangana ke no Themba Khumalo owabo ke kaMakhumalo umama kaZandi kanye no Kelly Khumalo base bebona khona lapho ke ecrash phansi ingabe uyakwazi yini lokho uma mhlambe ke ngingatshengiswa ke istatement ke ngoba ke kuyenzeka ngezinye inkathi ke usho into kanti ke akusiyona ke into eqondile kukhona la uyishintshe khona uma ungangikhombisa nje istatement mayela nalokho.
But I'm still perusing the statement. I just want to tell you that I'm a court official. I have no reason to misdirect this court. I have a fiduciary duty. Just a moment, my lord. May I just check there are two statements of Sergeant Mtetwa, the one for 2014 and the one for 2018. Do you have it, Mr. For the witness? I know what I'm asking.
please, my lord. I know we've allowed my learned friend to refer to the statements, but these witnesses have testified. We submit that the proper way is to refer to the relevant portions of the evidence and to cross-examine on that, and not on the basis of the statement which might have been qualified in places.
Yes, Mr. Mgamuzulu.
My lord, the witness has indicated that she did not interview Mr. Mteto. The witness is asking me to refer her to that particular section. As they are still looking for the statement. Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Mgamuzulu. What this question? What is it in aid of?
Sorry,
of saying Miss Molefe. I think that witness is Molefe. Miss Molefe. As Mtetwa and his colleague were coming
yes.
towards the Kumalo house.
When they entered the house,
Yes.
my lord.
When they entered the house.
Yes.
But you're
Yes.
putting it to her that Mtetwa was told by this Molefe, Miss Molefe, that two people came out running towards the park.
Correct, my lord.
What do you want us to understand by that?
No, I was just narrating the statement towards the question I'm going to ask.
Yeah.
The question that I'm asking to the witness in relation to a particular paragraph is that when Mtetwa entered the house,
Yeah.
these are the objects or the exhibits they found.
Yeah, fine.
And I'm going to demonstrate that there were no cartridges or any projectiles that were found at that time. On the first visit.
I see, they were planted.
Yes, that's what I'm driving to.
Oh, I see, okay, fine, let's hear you. I recall Mr. Numalo saying there was a cartridge or a bullet
That one is in paragraph
which was planted.
14 of Mr. Ngumalo's cross-examination.
That's so.
And
Okay.
paragraph 12 and 13 was cross-examination of Advocate Mnisi. Then he made a qualification in terms of paragraph 14.
Okay.
And the court intervened by saying, if he says, because something was deleted there, when they talk about a bullet found on the top of the sink, and Mr. Mtetwa corrected it by saying next to the kitchen, sorry, not next to the sink. So there are two contrasting statements.
No, it's a cupboard, it's not a sink.
Yes, it's just that mine is from.
There were some jars there.
That's
Jugs.
correct. Which were not seen on the first visit.
Yes.
Yes. So what I'm putting to you, ma'am, is that satisfy yourself with that statement, but I'm not going to mislead the court, is that when he So, which statement is this? Can I see? When that statement actually entails that no projectile was found on the first visit of Sergeant Mteto. They entered the house. What they found, they saw the containers of liquor, the crutch, and the head, and did not mention anything about a bullet found at their first visit, and then they left to the hospital.
Okukhulunywe le statement ukuthi ke nkathi umthetho ke nozakwabo beya laphayana okuqala ayikho inhlamvu abayithola kodwa ke bathola ke amakano otshwala bathola ke induku lena yokuhamba into elimele icrash kanye futhi nesiqoko.
Then so on the second statement, yeah, that is A78. Particularly paragraph 12, 13, and 14.
A78. A78.
A78, from paragraph 12 to paragraph 14.
Can I have the statement? I don't see the statement here.
Sorry,
Can I have the
Mr.
statement?
Balot.
It's A98.
I said 98. A98 is A98.
This exercise of trying to elicit evidence of witnesses, we all know that it is not under cross-examination. You're reading from a statement, but Mteto and his colleague were taken to cross-examination by all the counsels here. So their evidence is not restricted, obviously, to a statement. They said other things which were elicited by the very gentleman who's the prosecutor, Baloi, and Mr. Ramos Ipidi on behalf of 1 and 2, and Mr. Nisi on behalf of 3, and Mr. Ngumalo on behalf of 4, Ms. Mshololo on behalf of 5, cross-examined these two witnesses, police witnesses,
Yes.
and elicited more evidence. So, but you are now concentrating on a statement. How does it help us? Maybe you can explain to me. I don't know.
I hear you, Malota. I have no difficulty in withdrawing that question.
Okay.
I have no difficulty
Okay.
at all. But the gist of what I'm going to get from you as the investigating officer, is whether did you personally, other than other investigating officer, attend to the crime scene? Did you undertook reconstruction of the crime scene?
My Lord, I never undertook any reconstruction of the scene.
Ukuthi ke ngiyeleke kwindawo yesigameko ngiyobheka ukuthi ke yenziweke kabusha ke ngamagama ke ukuthi ke ubone ukuthi isimo noma isimo sasi kanjani